Today we're going to walk through a feature that allows you to track any kind of data that you would like for each employee. We call this feature additional fields, and you can see it by heading into the employee list and clicking on an employee. This box right here for additional fields is fully customizable so you can track exactly what matters most for your business. In this example, I'm tracking uniforms, how many have been issued, the first date expiry, and the serving at rate certificate number, which is a requirement here in BC. These fields are consistent across employees in the system, and as you can see, if I head to another employee, such as Dan, he has the same input fields here, just different values. With data in these fields, you can easily generate reports in BarSight. Just head to the Reports section under Employees, and you'll see the fields neatly outputted in either an Excel spreadsheet or at the web view. This gives you a quick and comprehensive summary of your employee data. If you wanted to add new fields or edit the existing ones, simply click on Edit Fields and a new window will pop up, allowing you to define the field name, the type, width, options, and the default value. You can add as many fields as you would like, rearrange them, and even delete any that are no longer necessary. Once you click Update, the changes will be applied system-wide for all employees, and you can start tracking that data immediately. It's a straightforward yet powerful tool that helps you customize your employee data to suit your needs.